Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and the anchor points. This saves time and keeps things secure. Place an undercap to smooth hair and expose the hairline. Once done, feel for stable spots above the ears and at the nape. Those are your clip anchors. Position the clip jaws open, gripping the undercap fabric and some hair without pulling. Make sure to use rubber grip clips to prevent slipping. Doing this correctly sets a stable base for the scarf so it won't shift. You now attach the scarf to the anchored clips, controlling both fit and appearance. Drape the scarf where you want the front line, then bring the fabric toward the clip. Insert the clip through the scarf layers and under cap, catching a small section of hair. This combines fabric and hair for reliable grip. Once attached, smooth the scarf outward so it lies flat. If you need more security or symmetry, add a second clip at the temple or nape and balance tension until the folds sit neatly. You finish by refining drape and checking stability so the look holds all day. Arrange outer layers and tuck edges for a clean silhouette, then gently move your head to test for slippage. If slipping happens, make incremental adjustments. Reposition the clip a few millimeters, tighten the jaw, or add another clip where support is weak. For pressure or rubbing, pad under the clip with a folded tissue or small fabric square. This prevents irritation while maintaining hold and keeps your style comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.